remaining ones when I come here then next time. On the 28th of June.
Yeah.
Today is the 24th, 24th of June 2021. Here's Kalastajanmäki, Fiskarbacken 10, staircase E. And also the staircase is E and F are still original here. The staircase this side was modernized, but all the other ones are still original here. It was built in 1989. Actually finished in 1990, so this is late 1989. This is still very nice. I like this color here.
Same here.
They're 30 years old between 2019 and 20, and the serial number is 65868. It's going to be inspected in 2022. Also here it's in both official languages, Swedish and Finnish. This one has only 6 floors, but staircases A, B and C have 7 floors, so they are actually more amazing.
Diskutiippaakin vai pitää nyt meidän tehdä Espoo hissi.
There's only time for one, right?
Yeah.
Yes, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please also watch the staircases A, B and C here, and also F.
That's